southeast. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday, northeast winds 10 to 20 knots becoming north. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday, northeast winds 10 to 20 knots becoming Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 596, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Illinois, DeKalb, will engage in the following counties: Indiana, Lake and Porter, in the following: Lake Michigan from north, Lake Michigan from short to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, 10 Mile Harbor, Illinois to Gary Harbor, Illinois, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and the following counties: Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch. This is no weather radio.